Good evening. After enjoying two terrific sessions at the start of the new year, the Indian equity markets have entered into consolidation phase. It may be recalled that the BSE Sensex has surged by more than 400 points on Tuesday after advancing modestly on Monday. After coming close to 4,800, the NSE Nifty erased all of these sessions gains and slipped into the negative terrain in last afternoon trade. During the day, the Sensex also came within striking distance of 16,000. However, it was unable to sustain the momentum. Even the negative food inflation number for late December and possibility of some monetary easing by the RBI later this month were unable to cheer up the bulls. The BSE Sensex lost 25 points to close at 15,857 and the NSE Nifty was almost unchanged, closing at 4,750. The sentiment was weak after European markets opened with negative bias and extended the fall. Markets in Italy and Spain were particularly under strain due to worries about their ability to finance their swelling budget deficits. Markets have turned jittery again following a lackluster debt auction in Germany and France. Also, Greek Prime Minister has warned that his nation may face economic collapse as soon as March. A disappointing rights issue by the Italian lender UniCredit SPA has also added to the European fiscal woes. Important economic reports are also due from the US in next 2 days. Automatic Data Processing will release its employment report on Thursday, just ahead of the weekly jobless claims data from the US government. On Friday, the non-farm payrolls report for December is due. Many retailers will be reporting December sales totals on Thursday. Among the 30 stocks of Sensex, JP Associates, Bajaj Auto, Tata Motors, Hero MotoCorp, L&T, M&M and Cipla were among the leading gainers. DLF, NTPC, Reliance Industries, Maruti, Hindalco, ONGC and Coal India were among the laggards on the BSE. The market breadth was quite healthy as the broader indices outperformed their large cap peers. The India VIX on the NSE was down by approximately 2% and closed at 25.91 after touching a day's high of 26.6 and a day's low of 25.72. Among the BSE sectoral indices, realty, oil and gas and metal indices were the top loser, while the auto index was the biggest gainer, adding nearly 1%. Hero MotoCorp snapped a 3-day decline after it was added to Credit Suisse focus list. The stock gained 2.5%. MMTC too closed higher due to hope that SEBI's initiative and compulsion on fiscal deficit will force the centre to curtail its shareholding in the state-run trading company. Kingfisher Airlines was down by 3.6% after Bharat Bhushan said in its surveillance report on December 28 that it was unsafe for the cash-strapped Vijay Mallya carrier to fly and that it should be wound up. Thank you. Wish you have a great evening ahead.